Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Malware Patrol's Malicious IPs data feed on your Palo Alto firewall. The first thing we have to do is go to Device and make sure that we already have a certificate profile for Cloudflare. If you haven't watched it, we have another video where we show how to create a certificate profile. Certificate profiles are necessary so your Palo Alto can make sure that the server that is hosting the data feeds is really the server it expects to be. So it requires the root and intermediate certificates to be sure to make that assurance. Okay, if you don't have a certificate profile, your Palo Alto will still download the data feed, but it will complain about it. Now we go to objects, and here we have external dynamic lists. So we're going to create one for malicious URLs. So we're going to call it Malware Patrol malicious IPs. I'm going to call it Malware Patrol malicious IPs. It is an IP list. And we should also choose the certificate profile here. I'm going to choose Cloudflare. Okay. And for the URL, you should get the URL for the malicious IPs data feed for Palo Alto from your customer portal or your evaluation portal. Please notice that we are using a URL with a username and password on it instead of the client authentication option here, because in our tests this didn't work. So we tested with the username and password in the URL, and that works. If you happen to be able to make it work, the client authentication, the result will be the same. All right, so I have here my external dynamic list created. The next thing I'll do is go to policies, and I have security here, and I'm going to create a security policy. Okay, I'm going to call it Malware Patrol malicious IPs. And now I'm going to check everything for the source and the destination. Now I'll come here and I'm going to choose Malware Patrol malicious IPs. For the action, I want that to be a block. Let's do deny. And I also have to select any here. All right. So now the IP addresses on the Malware Patrol malicious IPs data feed will be blocked. Don't forget to click commit before you do anything else. Once it commits, you can go back to objects and look for the list of IP addresses. It will commit in a moment, and I'm going to show you the list there. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please email support@malwarepatrol.net or contact your sales manager. We are here to help you get the data feeds working with your Palo Alto or any other integrations you need. The commit is almost over. Then because I have the certificate profile, I should not get any warnings here. If I didn't have a certificate profile, it would give me a warning. All right, configuration successful. All right. So when I go back to objects now, I can see all the IP addresses from the data feed here. Okay. All right, so this is all for this video. I see you next time. Thank you for watching.